Hi Bobart, today Republic Day celebration and the 26th of January 2021 India will celebrate its 72nd Republic Day, which is the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in the year 1950. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic.
The Constitution of India. The people of India, having solemnly resolved to consider India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faithful and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring dignity of the individual of the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 to hereby adapt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Fundamental duty, Article 51A, reservation of seats for women in Panchayat and municipalities. Article 243 D3 and Article 243 T3 provide for reservation of not less than one-third of total number of seats in Panchayat and municipalities for women to be allotted by rotation of different constitutions. Article 243 D4 and T4 provide that not less than one-third of total number of officer and chairperson in the Panchayat and municipalities at each level to be reserved for women.
Traffic Rules Law. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, punishment for the racing and speeding is imprisonment up to 1 month and or fine 500 rupees for the first offence, imprisonment up to 1 month and or up to 10,000 for the second offence. The penalty is in case driving despite being disqualified will cost you 10,000 rupees from 500 rupees fine previously.
The Prevention of Corruption Act 1980 as amended from time to time is the principal anti-corruption law. It penalizes offence committed by public servant in relation to the acceptance of bribe any form. The act of bribe giving is an offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act, and commercial organization can be held liable for the same if any person associated with them gives or promise to give any undue advantage to a public servant with the aim of receiving business. Corporate can be held responsible. Commercial organization can claim defense if they can prove that they had adequate government authorized procedure in place to prevent such act by any person associated with them.
On the eve of Republic Day, the President of India distributes Padma Awards of the civilians of India. Every year, these are the second highest civilian awards in India after Bharat Ratna. These awards are given in three categories, which Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri in decreasing order of importance for exceptional and distinguished service. We wish you all children to grow, be a honorable citizen and be a recipient of such honorable awards. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.